So my blog today will be based on a topic of ethics, and a question that we discussed in class was, should there be a universal code of ethics? Well, in my opinion, I believe that despite all the differences people think we have with one another in the world, there are common traits that all share the same. And from there we can see that, well, if we're really all the same, then we all share a common set of morals. And it's these morals that all relate back to simply being a good human being. And therefore, I believe that a universal code of ethics is based on simply being a good human being. So from there, we have to ask ourselves, what is a good human being? I believe it's not causing harm to another living being. I believe it's always helping someone even when they can't help you, and always being understanding of a person's circumstances, and always accepting everyone for who they are rather than using their differences to define them. I believe that the world is influenced by all these external concepts such as religion and politics and money, and unfortunately it is these external influences that cause people's moral system to be altered. So, once people, I guess, are corrupted by all these concepts, people's way of thinking and way of perceiving the world is changed, and it stems further away from those, first common set of morals that we share as a whole universe. As a whole world. So yes, to answer that question, I do believe that there is a universal code of ethics, and these are all related to being a good human being. So the world needs to do what it can and to put in place all the things that help people be a better human being, rather than trying to separate everyone and thinking that someone is superior than another person is wrong. So yes, I believe that once we can all start to see eye to eye and view each other as equal, then we will have a better world. Because right now our society isn't working for us. There are people who in third world countries struggle to survive every single day, and other people in first world countries living lavish lifestyles. Now we have the resources to help the people in the third world countries, but because of a concept based on give and take, we aren't helping people. We are brought up to believe that there is no point helping someone else unless you can receive something back from them in return. And I think that's wrong. I think the world needs to start believing that the more you help someone, the more you'll receive. But unfortunately, that's not the way the world works. So I think that for us to start working better, we need to come back to focusing on just being good human beings, and the world will be a better place. So thank you.